Hello creators! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Adobe Photoshop for free on your PC, Mac, or laptop, using Adobe's official 7-day trial. To get started, simply click the official link in this video's description. That will take you directly to Adobe's Photoshop trial page. From there, you'll be able to activate a full-featured 7-day trial of Photoshop, giving you complete access to its powerful photo editing and design tools, at no cost. During the sign-up process, Adobe may also offer a free 7-day trial of Adobe stock. If you choose to include it, you'll receive 10 high-quality assets that are yours to keep, even if you cancel the trial before it ends. You'll need to sign in or create an Adobe account. Adobe does require a payment method to begin the trial, but no charges will occur as long as you cancel within the trial period. It's a good idea to set a reminder to avoid any unwanted billing. Once your account is ready, Adobe will prompt you to download the Creative Cloud desktop application. This is the central hub for all Adobe software. After installation, open Creative Cloud, find Adobe Photoshop, and begin the installation. The process is straightforward and should only take a few minutes, depending on your internet connection. And that's it. Adobe Photoshop will be fully installed and ready to use, free for 7 days. Remember, this is a limited-time opportunity to try out professional-grade photo editing tools, whether for a project, creative work, or learning. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reliable software tutorials and tech walkthroughs. If you have any questions or need support, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring Photoshop.